Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of DIY natural cleaning products. Say goodbye to harsh chemicals and hello to a clean, chemical-free sanctuary. Traditional cleaning products can be loaded with harmful chemicals, impacting our health and the environment. But fear not, because I'm excited to show you how easy and effective it is to switch to natural alternatives. Let's start with an all-purpose cleaner, a mix of water, white vinegar, and a few drops of tea tree oil. Tough on germs, gentle on your family and pets. Next, a delightful air freshener made from water, citrus peels, and a hint of lavender essential oil. Nature's freshness, bottled. Now let's put these cleaners to the test on various surfaces. From kitchen counters to bathroom tiles, you'll be amazed at the cleaning power of these natural concoctions. One of the benefits of natural cleaners is their safety. No more worrying about harsh fumes or toxic residues. In conclusion, making the switch to natural cleaning is a conscious choice for a healthier home. Give it a try and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe.